Let's see how to make this people leaf or sacred fig leaf part 1. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here we make our slip knot. Here slip knot is done. After slip knot, we will make 19 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with 19 chain crochet stitches, we will skip first stitch that comes after the current loop on the needle. Okay, we are going to skip first stitch that comes after the current loop on the needle. After that, second stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. Okay, using only one loop. Okay, using only one loop we have to make one single crochet stitch. In second stitch, in third stitch we will make one half double crochet stitch using only one loop. Then stitch number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 we will make two double crochet stitches in each stitch using only one loop. Just remember, you have to use one loop only. Okay, so stitch number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, make two double crochet stitches in each stitch. I'll complete this. Now in stitch number 9 we will make one half double crochet stitch. Stitch number 10 we will make one single crochet stitch. Stitch number 11 again one single crochet stitch, and stitch number 12 one half double crochet stitch. Okay, now from stitch number 13 to 17, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, again we will make two double crochet stitches in each stitch. Each of the 5 stitch we will make two double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this. Now stitch number 18 we will make one half double crochet stitch, and stitch number 19 we will make a single crochet stitch. So this is end of first row, and we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn our crochet work. Now see, here onwards in every new row we are going to skip these first two stitches. Those come after the current loop on the needle. In every new row we are going to skip those two stitches. Okay, now most important point, when we are working in the back side of a crochet work, please use front loop of each stitch to make stitches. And when we are on the front side of a crochet work, please use back loop of each stitch to make stitches. Okay, now we made we in first row we were done till the last stitch. We made a chain crochet stitch, we turned our work. After that we are making, from third stitch onwards, we are making one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch using front loop of each stitch till we come to the middle where we have made two single crochet stitches. See here, two single crochet stitches. Now here we will just make one chain crochet stitch. We will skip those two single crochet stitches, and directly in third half double crochet, next half double crochet stitch, we will again go on making one half double crochet stitch in each stitch till end. Then we make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work, and we again repeat it. Only thing is that when we turn a crochet work, we will be on the front side. So when we are on the front side, use back loop to make each stitch. Okay, first I'll complete this and show you. Now see, here we reached our last stitch. Always remember to take that last stitch, it is very important. Okay, now we make a half double crochet stitch in the last stitch. We make a chain crochet and a turn a crochet work. Remember, you are skipping first two stitches which come after the current loop on the needle for every new row. Okay, now we are on the front side of the crochet work. So now we make a one half double crochet stitch in each stitch using back loop of each stitch till we reach in the middle of the work. So I'll tell you how to skip stitches over there. See, now we have reached to that place where we made a chain crochet stitch, and down we have skipped two stitches. Now onwards, how we are going to do, when we reach middle, when we reach to this chain crochet stitch, we will always skip one stitch before chain crochet stitch. See, I'll show you how. See, we will skip one stitch before chain crochet stitch, we will skip that chain crochet stitch, and one stitch after chain crochet stitch, and we make a chain crochet, and from second stitch, see, one stitch before chain crochet, one stitch after chain crochet, and next stitch onwards we start making 1/2 double crochet stitch in each stitch. See, we are getting same gap one above the other. Okay, now we are on the front side, so just use back loop to make half double crochet stitches. See, now onwards we are just going to make 1/2 double crochet stitch in each stitch. When we are back, we use front loop. When we are in front, we use back loop of each stitch. And always remember to take the last stitch. This is common. This is same. In middle, only thing, whenever that chain crochet stitch comes, so we will skip one stitch before chain crochet stitch, and one stitch after chain crochet stitch. So we have to skip these 3 stitches, and from next stitch onwards we will again make a, always remember to make a chain crochet stitch while you are skipping the stitches. Make a chain crochet stitch. I'll show you again. Same thing you have to repeat. Now this you have to continue till you reach, you are left with only 5 stitches. See, I'll show you how to skip stitches and how to take a chain. Now see, here we have almost reached in the middle of the work. So how we will do? First I'll make that half double crochet stitch, and see, yeah, now we reached. Now see, we will skip this one stitch before chain crochet stitch. We will skip chain crochet stitch and one stitch after chain crochet stitch. Make a chain crochet, and from next stitch, see, one stitch before chain crochet stitch and one stitch after chain crochet stitch, and from next stitch start making 1/2 double crochet stitch. You can slower down the video to get more good idea. I have tried to make it quite clear. I guess you won't be having any confusion. Okay, so we just have to continue this. We just have to skip, in short, we have to skip 2 stitches in the starting of every row, 2 stitches that come after the current loop. We have to always skip those 2 stitches. In middle, we have to skip 3 stitches. See, when we make that chain crochet stitch, one stitch before chain crochet stitch, and one stitch after chain crochet stitch. These 3 stitches we have to skip. So in total we are skipping 5 stitches in every row. Okay, and whenever we skip those 3 stitches, so we have to make a chain crochet stitch over there. So we remember that same gap goes on linearly upwards, and we get same gap in a straight line. Okay, I'll just continue making, so have a good look. We have to do this only till we reach, we are means like we are left with only 5 stitches. We have to go on doing this. See, again we have reached in the middle. Skip one stitch before chain crochet stitch, chain crochet stitch, and one stitch after chain crochet stitch. Make a chain crochet and start making, see, I haven't made a make a chain crochet and start making half double crochet stitches till end. See, so see, we are getting gap in a straight line upwards. So this is the main which gives us the like shape of the leaf. Okay, okay, continue watching. See how we are getting that gap. See, the middle gaps, they are coming in a straight line and which is going upwards. Okay, and sideways our stitches are reducing in a symmetrical pattern, and this you have to go on doing same thing till we are left with 5 stitches. Okay, this was in first part. In second part I will let you know, I'll show you that also how it looks till we reach to the 5 stitches, and in second part we will I'll show you the further thing. See, here we are left with 5 stitches, how we got that middle gap in a straight line upwards. Where in that middle gap, when we are skipping 3 stitches, always remember to take a chain crochet stitch, and this is the final sacred fig leaf or peepal leaf. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. If you have not yet subscribed, please I request you to do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.